This isn't just any dirt. It's a mix of proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates, designed to simulate the toughest, most resistant grime found on home surfaces. Noverite SR100 ester is readily biodegradable, non-irritant, free from palm oil derivatives and preservatives. Delivering high efficacy without compromising on product safety, it tackles stubborn soil from the very first spray. Today, we're testing its performance against a standard surface cleaner formula and a commercial surface cleaner. After a direct comparison under controlled lab conditions, the difference is clear. The towel treated with Noverite shows a remarkable transformation. On the others, the challenge remains. Our new Noverite formulation cuts through what standard cleaners can't, delivering visible results. Boost your cleaning power with Noverite SR100 Ester.